presence of mild sunlight, then formation of haloalkane takes place. This is not a good method because here we obtain mixture of di, tri and tetrahalogen derivatives. This method is not good one because here we obtain the mixture of di, tri and tetrahalogen derivatives. Example, if we start with chlorination of methane, then here we obtain methyl chloride. Methane on chlorination gives methyl chloride. These reactions takes place and gives this methyl chloride again reacts with chlorine and forms methylene chloride CH2Cl2. These methylene chloride on chlorination gives chloroform. And the chloroform reacts with chlorine again and gives carbon tetrachloride CCl4. So here we obtain the mixture of di, tri and tetrahalogen derivatives. So it is not a good method. So very first by direct halogenation of alkane. Now we discuss second method by the action of halogen acid over alkene. Second one is from alkene. When alkene reacts with halogen acid, then we obtain haloalkane. Alkene, the compound which obey general formula CnH2n known as alkene. It also possesses one double bond. Simplest example is ethene. Ethene reacts with halogen acid like HCl, HBr, Hi. Then in this compound double bond is present. Double bond is made up of one sigma bond and one pi bond. Pi bond is a very weak bond and very reactive. Here cleavage of bond takes place, double bond becomes single bond, HBr ionized into two parts, H positive and Br negative. H goes to this carbon atom and Br goes to this carbon atom and we obtain CH3, CH2, Br. Means when alkene reacts with halogen acid, then formation of haloalkane takes place. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, we have to remember two laws. यदि हम असमित एल्किन की बात करते हैं तो हमें दो नियम याद रखना पड़ेंगे, मार्कोनिकॉफ एंड एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल्स। मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल्स और एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल्स। Here we discuss Markovnikov rule. What does it tell us? Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's या Markovnikov rule. When unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent, what is called unsymmetrical alkene? इसको हम असमित एल्किन क्यों कह रहे हैं? कि डबल बॉन्ड के दोनों तरफ कार्बन परमाणु की संख्या अलग अलग है, इधर एक है इधर दो है, इसलिए असमित। यहां सम्मिति नहीं है। असमित अभिकर्मक क्यों कह रहे हैं? तो अभिकर्मक के भी दो भाग है, एक H है एक Br है, दोनों अलग अलग है। When unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical halogen acid, then in the presence of dark, then negative portion of reagent will goes to that carbon atom which is least hydrogenated. When unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent, then negative part of reagent will goes to that carbon atom which is least hydrogenated. ऋणात्मक भाग वहां जाता है, उस कार्बन पर जाता है जिसके पास हाइड्रोजन की संख्या कम होती है। हमारी कोनी बीच में होती है तो ये रीजन बीच में जाएगा, बन जाएगा हमारे पास में CH3 CH Br CH3, formation of bromopropane takes place, isopropyl bromide. In the case of anti-Markovnikov rules, which is also known as peroxide effect, when unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent in presence of benzoyl peroxide, then negative part of reagent will goes to that carbon atom which is more hydrogenated and linked with double bond. जब असमित एल्किन की क्रिया असमित अभिकर्मक के साथ बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड की उपस्थिति में कराई जाती है तो अभिकर्मक का ऋणात्मक भाग द्विबंध से जुड़े उस कार्बन परमाणु के पास जाता है जिसके पास हाइड्रोजन अधिकतम होते हैं। यहां हो गया हमारे पास में CH3 CH CH2 Br and this hydrogen atom goes to CH. So we obtain 1 bromopropane. Now we discuss GMP, general method of preparation of haloalkane. Very first, by direct halogenation of alkane, Second, by action of halogen acid over alkene. Third, one from alcohol. We can prepare haloalkane from alcohol according to following three ways. There are three ways to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. Very first, by the action of halogen acid when alcohol reacts with halogen acid in presence of catalyst ZnCl2. Here ZnCl2 act as a dehydrating agent. It removes water molecules. Understand? Here, formation of haloalkane takes place. When alcohol reacts with halogen acid in presence of catalyst ZnCl2, then formation of haloalkane takes place. Example, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. When reacts with hydrogen bromide in presence of ZnCl2, here replacement reaction takes place. Formation of ethyl bromide plus H2O. Ethyl bromide is formed. Now, second one, by the action of phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide over alcohol. When alcohol reacts with phosphorus trihalide, then the product will be H3PO3, byproduct will be H3PO3. केमिस्ट्री में कई रिएजेंट के बाय प्रोडक्ट फिक्स होते हैं, निश्चित होते हैं। इस आधार पर हम रासायनिक अभिक्रिया को आसानी से समझ सकते हैं। जिस प्रकार से शादी में गाने फिक्स होते हैं, काला कौवा काट खाएगा, आज मेरे यार की शादी है, और जब बारात पहुंचती है लड़की वालों के पास, तब बाहरों फूल बरसाओ मेरा महबूब आया है। इसी प्रकार से जब हम PX3 की बात करते हैं तो PX3 का जो गाना फिक्स है वो है H3PO3 विल बी बाय प्रोडक्ट। इन केस ऑफ PCl5 पोकल 3 phosphorus oxytrichloride is the byproduct. It is fixed one. Now we discuss reaction.